Wow, you got a lot going on there. That's great. Let me stay with you, Brian, and just ask you, what motivates you to reach out to the residents and to the neighborhood? And what is the motivation there? Is it part of your mission? Has it always been, or is it something that has developed over time? Or
Yeah, I'm
yeah.
a retired veteran, and large part of my career was to help the oppressed people, and try to keep things very humbled, and trying to always do something for them and be selfless for myself. My wife
Mhm.
and I are very a very faith based family. Our family actually works here at the laundromat as well as part timers. I got two daughters that work here, and my
Mhm.
son put me at the construction company, and he's getting involved in the operations of the laundromat. So, but it's faith based really, and our outreach is for the people in need. So, if
Mhm.
we see that someone that comes out of our bathroom,
Mhm.
you know, homeless person, we don't scurry on the way. We treat them like a person, buy them a cup of coffee, give them some money on their card to go ahead and wash their laundry, and then they leave, and it's very peaceful.
Right, right. You haven't had any issues with that. Yeah,
No, not at all.
yeah. Brad, how about you? What's your motivation that gets you to reach out like this?
It's part of my childhood growing up in the Rockies. It was, whether it was church or scouting, all
Mhm.
of my brothers and I were all born and raised in the Eagle Scout program, Cub Scouts, all the way through Eagle Scouts. We were always doing service somewhere. And
Mhm.
then just as a kid, observing businesses in our community, a smaller community that, whether it's they're sponsoring parades or
Mhm.
hot air balloon events or donating to our schools or other causes, I thought, you know what, I want a business someday that I can connect with the community and give back. And so as we were looking at starting a business, we stumbled upon Laundromat, and that's in their core values.
Mhm.
One of the three values is community.
Right,
Everything we do is with community in mind.
right, right, right. Certainly, as you say, laundromats are certainly one business model that seems to lend itself to this type of giving back and this type of altruism, I think. Yeah, absolutely. Um, Jamie, how about you? What's your motivation behind this, and is this part of the mission of 809 Laundromat?
Yeah, definitely is. I grew up very poor in the Dominican Republic, and even though I grew up very poor, we always share, and we always had a sense of community and helping each other, and so that has been ingrained in me. And ever since, I have another business, which is a Dominican hair salon for the last 9 years, and I have always given back there. So now it's just another opportunity to continue to give back, especially to those who can't, like you said, it's a lot of community underserved families that don't have money to go to the laundromat, don't have money to
Right.
wash. You have, like you say, also the homeless, and you don't know nobody's stories. They don't have a home. That doesn't mean that they a bad person. So we trying to give them back. It's just my mission to give back to the community that has also given me so much, because I have businesses in that community, so they are giving me. So I just feel the need and the responsibility to give back to them.